Good evening, ma'am. This is a video or representation of the Philippines and history of the Japanese occupation. Japanese occupation of the Philippines, also known as the Philippines Campaign or Second Philippine Republic, listed from 1942 to 1945 during World War II. Invasion of Port of Manila in 1942, Japanese forces invaded the Philippines quickly, overwhelming the American and Filipino defender. Manila, the capital, fell in January 1942. Establishment of the Second Philippine Republic. The Japanese installed a puppet government under President Jose P. Rawler, aiming to control the Philippines and end sources. Resistance and guerrilla warfare. Despite the occupation, Filipino resistance groups like the Balahap and UCP guerrillas continue to fight against the Japanese brutal occupation. The Japanese occupation was marked by harsh policies including forced labor, exploitation, and the establishment of concentration camps. Liberation in 1944, American forces and turned the Philippines, launching a major offensive to liberate the country. Manila was captured in February 1945, but the fighting was first devastating. Aftermath, the Japanese occupation left a lasting impact of the Philippines include widespread introduction, loss of life, and economic hardship. The legacy of the occupation continues and influence Filipino society and politics. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.